Hello and welcome to my channel. This is me, and this is the sort of the hair I've done. And you can't believe how this hair is. This hair is 1 centimeter. And if you see the hair, you will not see that you can make anything out of it. You can, if you're not good enough to make this kind of braids, the hair will come out in a second. After you start, the hair comes out. But I love my job. And this lady called me out and said, Christine, it's very cold, I'm freezing. I need you to help me do my hair. And oh, sorry, I was checking if the voice was going on, but now I find out. See, the hair is 1 centimeter. If you don't hold it well, it will come out when you finish doing it. It's very small. I couldn't have that measurement. I could have measured how small that hair is, but you can see how I'm putting it up. But you can see this is the start of my job. I can really do it. I love making hair. The smaller, the better. You can see it. I took almost 6 hours to make this hair. Yeah, I was making the small as you can. I want to show you the round. Sorry about the right. Yeah, this is how the hair is. I wanted to show you the other side so you can see how long the hair is. And that's how it is. That's how it is. This side of the head. I was trying to show you how I couldn't manage to make box braid because the hair is too small. If I make box braid, it will not be too much in the head. So I tried making the original African way. That's how we used to make African way, and I love it. I love it. You can use a lot of time, but you can see here, I'm almost finished. It took me almost 6 hours. The normal braids, the big ones, the long hair, it normally takes me 3 to 4 hours. But this one took me 6 hours to make it. You can see that I've tried to put up some hair, which I braided together with the other one because it was impossible you couldn't hold with anything because the hair is too small. But I managed to make the clear ends. And the roots are very clean. You can see it. You can see it. That is the root. I could make the clean hand. And the starting is very good. You can see there's no hair. And it was very, very clear. And this is the result when I'm almost finishing. This is the one I was finishing. Yes, I want to show you how short the hair is, and I hold something there. I couldn't be able to remove it because I had made the braid so tight that even the owner cannot put it up when she wants to remove it. And this is the end of it. Yes, I just told her to hold it for me. This year she bought it from, I think, online. Yeah, it was from online, and it's very nice. It looks like your own hair, and I love it. And that's how it is. It's too much, but it's very right. When you hold it, you can feel like you are having a lot of hair in the head, but she loved it. She really loved it. And she knows I'm the only one who can make her hair like that. And I was happy she called me out. And this is not the first time I made her hair like that. I also made her hair the other time, and it was short like that. So she knows. And she stayed with it like 3 months. Yes, it doesn't come out. The shorter, the better. The longer, the good. Yes, I can do the type of hair because that's my job. Yes, you can see this one. I tell her to hold it back so I can show it off, and that's it.